Yo, what's up, guys? So we're back. It's been a long time. Today I'm gonna try and do something a little different. I've got about 1 hour before sunset, and I wanna show you how you can just create like a little cinematic sequence by yourself. The first shot is gonna be indoors. I'm gonna be laying on that hammock over there, watching my phone, and then the alarm for the sunset is gonna go off, and I'm gonna go from there, right? Just handheld iPhone to shoot the behind the scenes. I've got my Sony FX3 and just a tripod. Right, let's get it. So here's the first shot. I'm gonna be in the hammock scrolling on my phone, and I don't have an actual behind the scenes for this shot because I need to use my phone, of course. Putting in a wide angle so that I can introduce the place where the character is right now, which is my living room. I placed the camera just behind the kitchen countertop to give it a little bit more interest and use it as a foreground. Yeah, that's the first one. Alright, so here's the second shot. It's just an over-the-shoulder close-up of me scrolling to Instagram when the alarm goes off, letting me know that I have 1 hour before the sunset, so I rush out. So with the third shot, I'm back to the wide angle, showing me jumping out of the hammock and running towards the front door in order to chase that sunset and go for a swim. So after I got all these shots on the hammock, I'm gonna try and get a shot of me rushing to the door, grabbing my skate, and like leaving the house. And then I'm gonna just transition that to already outside. So check it out. I'm gonna run this way, grab the skate, and then go out the door. So for this next shot, I'm placing the camera on the hallway outside, facing the door, to show me running out of the house and running past the camera. I forgot to put the phone in the back there showing the behind the scenes, but this is how the shot turned out. Alright, now we're on a new location. I have this really cool street over here close to my house that goes into the sea, towards the sunset. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the camera right here, and I'm gonna catch me going that way on the skate. And I'm trying to use these little branches as a foreground so it gets more interest the shot. So it's not just a plain shot looking to the street, but with a little bit more interest, right? So let's see how it turns out. So now I've got the same setup but a different angle, right? Just to clearly show that I'm going towards the sunset, right? Let's do it. Alright, so this next shot's gonna be a risky one. I'm gonna grab the tripod like this, like that, and I'm gonna turn it like this just to try and film my feet. Just to get a different angle, you see? Alright, let's see how it turns out. Alright, now the last shot of this part of the sequence is gonna be using the drone. I'm just gonna try and put it like in a follow mode, just so we shows me going towards the sunset, and then the next one should be at the beach itself. I need to use my phone, but I might just put my camera to film the behind the scenes on this one. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking for the next shot. Got this wall over here that just stands between the road and the sand. I'm gonna come from right there and skating all the way here, and then I'm gonna grab the skate in my hand and I'm gonna jump over this wall towards the sunset again. I think that's gonna be the next shot. Let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna try and get a second angle now, just to see if it goes goes well. But damn, check that sunset right now. I got like 20 minutes. So yeah, set up my camera right here, facing the wall. Kind of going left to right again, just so it keeps that continuity. Alright, let's see how it looks. Alright, we're finally reaching the end of this video. A few last shots. So now instead of being facing that way, I got my camera facing the sunset. So I'm gonna be running past the camera towards here. So then I get a drone shot, another one of me jumping into the sea, and that should be it. Let's go! Well, I'm tired, first of all. The sun is still not down, but it's quite covered by the clouds. Okay though. I'm gonna get my drone out and I'll get the finishing shot. Let's see how it turns out. I hope it turns out alright. As you can see, I'm wet as hell, but I think it was worth it. And still I think I'm gonna get one more shot, even though sunset is gone. I'm gonna get the FX3 again, put it close to the water. I'm gonna go dive again, so let's see how it turns out, that one. Alright guys, that's the wrap. I think it was a cool project. I can already tell that I learned a few things by doing this project. One is that I should have brought a towel, because now I'm wet as hell and I have nothing to dry myself with. Two, that my drone cannot properly track the waves in order to do a drone, so when it locks onto a target and it just flies backwards, just that as I wanted to use that as the closing shot. And three, it is as much fun as it is to just do this stuff and improvise. Sometimes it's better just to plan it ahead, because like I said, I just had 1 hour and 30 minutes to do this before the sunset happened. So I was just like kind of setting the shots in my head as I go and trying to film the behind the scenes for this. I missed a lot of shots in the behind the scenes, but hey, you learn, right? So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. All right, see you in a minute.